How to fix calendar missing from taskbar in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Click on Windows Search and type PowerShell. Select Run as administrator. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, click on Add Account. Click on the link I don't have this person's sign-in information. On the next window, click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Enter a username and password twice. Answer the 3 security questions. Click on Next. A new account will be added, click on this to expand. Select Change Account Type. Now, select Administrator from the drop-down. Restart the system and check if the calendar is visible. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.